Welcome to Nature's Hackers' incredible animal adaptations. Did you know that the axolotl can regenerate limbs, organs, and even parts of its brain? Imagine the possibilities. Next, let's dive underwater where some species of octopus can change the texture of their skin. They can mimic rocks, corals, and other objects to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. Lastly, meet the bombardier beetle. This incredible insect can shoot a boiling hot chemical mixture at its predators, making it one of nature's most dangerous escape artists. Stay tuned for more amazing facts about the animal kingdom.